A popular cosmetic procedure that your dentist can offer are take-home whitening kits that are designed to enhance the color of your teeth using bleaching agents. Tooth enamel is made of a rod-like crystalline structure, of which the absorbent areas between these rods that contain organic material easily become stained. Regular consumption of substances like juice, coffee, tea, dark cola, red wine, and even certain antibiotics can cause the teeth to become discolored. Take-home bleaching kits from the dental office often use Carbamide peroxide, which, when added to a custom whitening tray, reacts with water to form hydrogen peroxide. When the custom-made tray is seated on the teeth, it allows for the gel to adapt closely to them. Highly reactive molecules are then produced by the reaction of the chemicals with the gel to break down the colored compounds that have stained your teeth. Once complete, you are left with a brighter, whiter smile without any lasting damage to your teeth.